Removing the automatic shift knob from a Jeep Wrangler can be frustrating the first time. You'll probably tug on it like it's a sword in a stone and wonder if you're doing something wrong. You're not alone. It confuses a lot of people. First things first, make sure the Jeep is off and the parking brake is engaged. Don't skip this step. You don't want your shift lever deciding to surprise shift while your hand is mid-tug. Safety first, annoyance second. If you've got a Jeep Wrangler JK, the automatic shift knob isn't screwed on. It's press-fit. This is both genius in its simplicity and awful in terms of practicality. It means you need force, not finesse. It means pulling straight up, hard. Now, here's where people start sweating. You yank it a few times, nothing happens, and doubt creeps in. That's normal. Just know that many Jeep owners report needing to brace themselves, sometimes straddle the center console and pull with both hands. There's a very good risk you'll clock yourself in the face if you're not braced right. Pro tip, wear gloves and pull straight upward, not sideways, and keep your face out of the direct line of fire. Yes, this is an actual tip I wish more people told me. The shift knob usually has a metal clip or inner detent ring that's wedging it tight. You don't need to release that with tools unless you've got a modified console. The factory knobs just need brute force upward motion. If you own a JL model or later, the knobs can vary slightly. Some have a small collar or boot cover. You first need to pull downward to expose a compression ring or retainer clip. If you don't see one, you're likely on a press fit again. For those curious if WD-40 or lube helps, it really doesn't. You're not dealing with rust or stuck threading. You're dealing with compression tension. That means you just have to overpower it. Frustrating? Absolutely. But satisfying once it pops off. Once it's removed, you'll likely be left with a slender shaft and, in some models, a detent button on the front. Be careful here. Don't damage that button. It controls the actual shifting mechanism, and bending it will earn you a trip to the dealer. If you're upgrading your shift knob to an aftermarket design, make sure it's made to fit your model year. A surprising number of people find that universal knobs aren't so universal. Match the collar depth and interior spacing. And if your new shift knob comes with set screws, test tightness while you manually shift between park and drive. Too tight, and it may rub or even bind on the boot cover. Too loose, and you'll end up holding the knob while your Jeep stays in neutral. The whole job takes about 15 minutes max if you commit. Consider it a rite of passage. Anyone who's done it has a story, or a bruise, probably both. But when it's done, you'll feel like you unlocked some kind of Jeep owner badge. It weirdly feels worth it.